Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Jamila here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I do this stretched out natural hair look. It's not a wash and go, but it's definitely one of my favorite styles to wear my hair in, especially when I want to wear my hair down but I don't want to straighten it and I don't want to do a wash and go. So yeah, I really like this because it has some length to it, but no heat was applied, and I still have like my natural texture going on. So yeah, if you want to see how I get my hair to look like this, continue watching and I hope you enjoy. All right, so of course my hair is freshly washed and clean, and so I'm going to go on and apply a moisturizer to my hair, and I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Make It Last Curl Primer. Just make sure my hair is moisturized, and then I'm going to go in with the oil of choice. I'm using my Camille Rose Cocoa Nibs and Honey Hair Serum. And this is totally optional. I just want to use this product up. But I put in my hair my Shea Moisture mousse that I had because it's almost gone and I just want to use the product up. So you definitely do not need a mousse to do this. I usually do not use a mousse. But after I put my product in my hair, which is usually just moisturizer and oil of choice, I go on and I twist my hair up. And I like to get a little oil, a little extra oil, just to put it on the ends of my hair. Just to do some extra conditioning and make sure those are extra protected and healthy. And so I'm going to do 3 twists on each side for the first day. So after that, I'll pretty much just do a braid instead of 3 separate twists. I'll do 2 braids, 1 on each side, or I'll do 2 twists on each side. But when my hair is freshly washed and I've just put the product in it, I find that it's more convenient to just put my hair in 3 twists on each side. Now, looking at this footage back, I definitely put a little, just a smidge too much product on this twist right here. That's just going to make my hair take longer to dry, and that much product is not needed for my hair to come out looking right. You see that first one doesn't have all the extra product in it? Yeah, I put a little too much in the other one, but it's all good. So after I get done twisting my hair, I'm going to braid those 3 twists into one large braid on each side. So of course, if you're able to let your hair chill in those 6 twists for a couple of hours or throughout the day, that would really help your hair dry. But so this is just what I do for nighttime. I would braid my hair up, and then I would get a bobby pin, pin the ends of the braids to the opposite side of my head. That will help my hair stretch while I go to sleep. And then I would put my headscarf on and go to bed. So the next day I took down the 6 twists and I put my hair in 2 braids. And as you can see, one side has a twist, that's the left side, and then the right side has the 1 braid. So that side that has the 1 braid, you can see it's longer, more elongated, and that's just going to help stretch my hair out and have it more straight when I take it down. All right, so my hair, I'm gonna, get it ready to be taken down. My hair is nice and stretched out. And so before I even like unravel my braids, I'm going to smooth my hair just to make sure the top of my hair is looking you know, neat and whatnot. And so to do that, very simple, I'm just gonna, actually I'm gonna spray a little bit of water in my hand. Just gonna add a little moisture and then a little oil to smooth my hair out. Just a little bit of oil, not a lot. So now I'm just gonna wait a few seconds, let my hair set in place, and then I'm gonna unravel it and take it down and see what it's looking like. All right, so my hair should be dry by now. I just took this off. And now I'm just going to unravel my hair. I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil on my hands just to reduce frizz as I unravel my braids. So I'm just gonna like gently pull my hair and let it naturally like unclump. See how my hair like naturally separates? All right, so here is my hair, and it actually has a little bit of more crinkles in it than usually, but I promise you I'm gonna come back on here tomorrow and show you guys what my hair is looking like. And I think my hair will be a little more stretched out tomorrow. So at this point my hair is obviously parted down the middle, so I'm gonna wear my hair down, so I gotta cover that up. And so I just really gently, I don't want to make too much frizz, but I just try to close that part, especially up at the top. I think that's the most important area to focus on. So I'll usually just sort of get a piece of hair at the top. And I'll sort of like pull the hair over just to sort of erase that line, that part, as much as possible. And then I'll do this side too. All right, so this is pretty much it. Like I said, my hair is a little more defined. Like, it's not as straight as I would like it to be, but tomorrow I believe my hair would be, a lot straighter. But yeah, this is what I do. This is my hair, what it's looking like. You can see the texture. So yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. This is how I like to sort of do my hair when I want to wear it down and have a little bit of length to it, but I don't exactly want to straighten my hair because I just don't want to spend that time. Yeah, so this is what I do. I think it's nice. It gives some length, and like I said, I'm going to come back on here and show you guys my hair tomorrow. I think it will be a little more stretched out, a little more straight. But yeah, I really like this because I get to keep the texture of my hair. I don't know, and it sort of looks a little more like, I don't know, like wild but cute in a way, you know what I mean? So yeah, it's cute. It's like wild, cute, still natural, but has length to it. And I get to wear my hair down. So yeah, I really like wearing my hair like this nowadays. Definitely one of my favorite ways to wear my hair. And I think it's a healthy way to wear your hair too. I find that I have less like single strand knots and tangles compared to when I wear my hair in that like straight up wash and go. So yeah, this is like a nice alternative. All right, so today is the next day and my hair is actually in 2 twists. So this is optional. I'm just gonna get a little bit of oil. I just like to dip the oil to reduce frizz when I'm taking my hair apart. But that's totally optional. So as you can see, my hair is more straight today. And this is my hair. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys next day here and show you my hair is a little more elongated. I'll insert a picture here of my hair when it was like really straight, when I literally did the same thing. So yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll be sure to reply. As always, thank you so much for watching. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.